Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a custom scan in Kaspersky Security free antivirus. So cloud-based antivirus, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to go about running a custom scan. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by opening up Kaspersky Security Cloud Antivirus if it's not already open. So whether you have a desktop shortcut or if you want to search for it in the start menu, however you want to do it, it's fine. Just want to make sure you get it open here. And then select the scan tile. Scroll down underneath additional scan task and select selective scan. Select the select button. And then at this point, navigate to wherever on your computer you want to specifically scan. So if there's a file on your desktop, you can navigate to it. And then once you've located such file, just go ahead and select it and then select the select button again. And then select run scan. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. It'll tell you if you found anything, and if it did, you would be prompted with how you want to go about resolving it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.